Well, what's up everybody, hope you're all doing great. In the next few minutes I'll do a quick price prediction and price analysis on Ankr. Because Ankr is making moves again. After its recent bull run at the end of October, it's now starting to look like it's going into December with another bull run. Last prediction I said it would reach all the way up to 20 cents, which it did. It even reached a little bit further and now has retraced a little bit up until the support area at 17.4 cents. In my opinion, Ankr can still go higher, but it might need a while. It might need some consolidation, maybe between 17.4 and 20 cents. So something like this, before ultimately going up again at the beginning of September or December. So that would be right here, so a smaller consolidation. I think that could happen. Next price target for me at least would be 26 cents. So we could see something like this, I think, and then up and maybe find a break retest off of the 21.6 cents support level then. So that would look like this. I think that's possible, that we continue this bull run, but if we do look at Ankr, 1.4 billion market cap, so there's still really room for growth, but yeah, I don't know, this is quite a big bull run and I think there's a little bit more bearish sentiment. So a more realistic scenario in my opinion would maybe be that we see something along the lines of this again. Here you saw a bull run and then a consolidation a little bit higher than where it was before, although this is a small uptrend. I think the most realistic scenario is that we will maybe see it trend down a little bit and that ultimately it will find a consolidation or accumulation, depending on what you want to call it, between 18.8 and ultimately 15.2, I think. So that would look something like this. And what you tend to see in these consolidations after such a bull run is that first it goes up a little bit more. Okay, let me redraw this just so I can explain it while doing it. That it goes up a little bit more and that from there it drops down, finds support at a good support area like 16.5. Then takes a break, retests off of a lower resistance, so 18.8 for example, and that it then finds support maybe here around 15.8, and that it consolidates between those levels, and then eventually it will go down a little bit more. So in my opinion that would be between 14.7 and 14.2, which causes a lot of people to become bearish about it because the consolidation is broken. But what you tend to see is that then price will start to go up and go up heavily, and that a new bull run occurs. So can we see that with this too? Yeah, kind of. Here you can see that it found support at 12 cents and that ultimately it dropped down a little bit lower towards the end. Of course here with the this is a bearish fundamental move, so this is not really a good example, but here you see it dropping down a little bit more, and from there on out we started to prepare for a bull run. I think something like that can happen as well to Ankr. Of course the first scenario I talked about, that I mean if the price starts making very bullish moves right now, which I think there's a chance but it's unlikely, I think, then just remember the 26 area as the next price target. It could happen, we could see something like this, or something like this, but I just don't think that's the most likely scenario. I think something like this is more realistic. So yeah, that's my analysis on Ankr. If you have any questions about it, please let me know down in the comments, and I'll make sure to respond to that as soon as possible. As for now, thank you all for watching and listening, and I hope to see you all in my next videos. Bye!